everyone, my name is Simple Robeck and I'm going to show you how to make 5 minutes push-ups. 5 minutes push-ups. Yeah, I know there are beginners out there that really want to try this. So yeah, how are we? The only way we are going to do this is that we are going to make the first set for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. That's how we are going to do it. So guys, let's go. Let's start right now. I got my stopwatch here. So you have to have your stopwatch too. So let's start. Do as many push-ups as you want. Our first set for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. So now you can rest. You can rest for 30 seconds. I know you guys can do this. I really believe in you. I know you can do it. So yeah, this is fun and you can enjoy it. So this is for only people who really want to do this. You can try it. Do it now. You can do it. So 3, 2, 1, we back again. We are only beginners. 1, 2, for 30 seconds, guys, you can do it. For 30 seconds. Go down as much as you can. You can do it, guys. And do as many push-ups as you can. Yeah. I am going to post a video every week. One video every week. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's rest. Yes, guys. I know you can do it. We are doing it. It is very fun. I'm enjoying it. I can feel my body getting warm. It is very nice, guys. You can do this. I believe in you. I believe in you. Do this with me. Let's do this together. Every week, I'll be posting a video. Yes. With the 5 minutes workout. Yes, I believe in you, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You just have to be like this. You go up and you go slow down. Up and you go slow down. Up. Just like this, guys. You can do it. I can feel my body. Slow. 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 3, 2, 1. Rest for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds, guys. Rest for 30 seconds. You can do this, guys. You can really do this. This is fun. It is easy. Yeah. And you can see the results. You can see the results as well. You can do this maybe in the morning and before you sleep. But I normally do it twice a day. Yeah, in the morning and when I sleep. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. We are doing like this right now. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You can do this. I believe in you, guys. I believe in you. Yeah, guys. This is really fun. Yeah. It is really fun. It is really fun and easy. Yes, you can do it at home. No need for equipment. Just have fun. Just have fun. Only for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You can make more if you are now used to 5 minutes. Yeah. Rest. This is really fun, guys. This is really fun. We are only left with one exercise and we're done. This is fun, guys. Really fun. And I believe in you, guys. I believe you can do this. It is fun. Much fun. Last 30 seconds. What you gonna do is be like this. You don't go down too much. You just stand up here for 30 seconds. You don't go down too much. You feel me? You don't go up too much. Let's go. I know you can feel it. Yeah, you can feel it. You can feel it. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, guys. If you really enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel and visit every 1 week. Every 1 week, I'll be posting a video. So subscribe so that you don't miss my videos. I hope to see you next week. Thank you very much. Bye.